This video will show you how to easily record spending such as transactions, bills and payments. When it comes to recording your expenses, QuickBooks can handle most of your transactions, but there are still some things that you need to enter manually. Anytime you spend money with a credit card, debit card, EFT, wire transfer or bank charges, you can download these transactions directly from your bank and credit cards into QuickBooks Online using the online banking feature. From there, you can go into the banking center where you can then categorize them. The great thing about this process is that as you enter the transactions from your suppliers and then categorize them, QuickBooks learns how you spend your money with your suppliers. So later on, whenever you download more transactions from those same suppliers, QuickBooks will automatically know how to categorize them. There are, however, some occasions in which you'll still need to enter transactions manually. For example, you'll need to enter a transaction manually if you withdrew cash via an ATM to then pay somebody. You'll be able to match the downloaded transaction with the transaction that you entered manually. Another instance in which you need to enter a transaction manually is with bills. If a supplier sends you a bill telling you how much money you owe and when it's due, you do have to enter that into QuickBooks to record the fact that you owe that supplier some money. To enter bills into QuickBooks, first go to the New menu and then select Bill. From the Supplier drop-down menu, choose your preferred supplier. Then, from the Terms menu, choose the preferred bill's term. The terms show when the supplier expects payment. Verify the bill date and specify the due date for the bill. The bill date is when it's created, entered or received, and the due date is when you must pay your supplier. In the Bill Number field, enter a number or reference to distinguish this bill from others from the same supplier. To finish, enter the other necessary information under the Category and Item details, then select Save and Close. Through these two methods, you can use QuickBooks to record all of your spending. Now, get started.